first of all, I don't know how many people out there know Jacob Meyer of Hommati 216. See how I did that?
Yeah.
I just
like
nailed
that
it.
Vanna White framing.
All right, I want to get everybody get a shot of this real quick. So I don't know how close or how far we need to go, but what is this that we're looking at? So this is the beautiful and talented and uber professional up and coming mega agent, Miss Kathy Loggins.
Uh-huh.
What is this that I'm holding?
So this is her Innovative Agent magazine. Every agent that you've sponsored can get 50 copies of this for free. And basically it shows them when they go to a listing presentation, they can hand this to the seller and say, hey, seller, I know you like this property. I want to showcase it the best way I can. It's going to showcase the aerial drone video. It's got a Matterport 3D. It also has the VR tour, the floor plan, blue sky, green grass enhancements. It's even got a QR code. They can see their own video. Once they scan that we have hosted live.
And the floor plan. I think floor plans are all the rage right now.
They really are. It allows people to kind of see if that bedroom suite's going to fit in that bedroom.
Yeah.
Or the TV, they might need to upgrade for the new house. One of the other cool things is it also shows on the back an About Her section. And we also have on here a certified study from Texas Tech of 143,000 listings, which shows that if you use 3D tours versus just photography alone, you can decrease time on market and increase sales price.
Wow.
So when you're doing a listing presentation, say the house is $200,000, you can show them that you can sell the house quicker and potentially get them $8,000 to $18,000 more dollars by using dynamic visual content such as what we have in this magazine.
So I'm thinking, all right, so this could be the full marketing portion of her listing presentation. This is a great leap behind. If you're doing like small business pop buys, she could drop this off at small business pop buys. She could drop this off at the doorstep for sale by owners, expireds.
Absolutely.
This is just an amazing marketing piece. Okay, so let's talk about how much did Kathy pay you to have this incredibly professional looking marketing piece made?
$0.
$0.
Yes, sir.
And how many did she get for $0?
50.
She got 50 for $0. Now after the 50, how much would it charge her to get it? How much would it cost for her to get an additional 50?
I believe it's $67, depends on the shipping.
Oh, that's a
Yeah. It's
freaking
at cost.
no-brainer.
At cost.
Okay. All right. Last thing I want to talk about real quick. So I signed up with some special super secret thing. It's like the
Membership.
Yeah, it's like that State Farm, you know, like the Patrick Price,
Oh yeah.
right? Is that what it kind of
Yes,
is?
sir.
Yeah. So what kind of a discount do my JPAR agents get with Hommati?
They get 20% off fall services. They get premier listing access. So if they call me, I make sure that I get out to their properties first. And there's a couple other things, like they get the leads emailed straight to their emails. So
Leads.
If a lead comes in off the website after I've done a package for them, it goes straight to them, no in between, and they can call that person immediately.
Okay. All right. How do you want people, somebody's watching this video and they're like, holy crap, I have to get one of these. How can they reach you?
Hommati.com/office/216.
I really think you need to get a Vanadu domain for that.
I'm working
Just
on it.
like Birmingham
Drone photography is what
badass realestatemarketing.com. All right, what's your cell phone number?
205-340-8977.
And if you're also into Dungeons and Dragons or have crypto questions, you're also available to discuss that.
Absolutely.
Okay, bye everybody.
Have a great one.
Hommati 216.
Yes, sir.